Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Oh, okay. Okay. Sometime it's happened. Okay. Except I'm late. I'm I'm a very good person, so I take accountability of everything I do wrong. Just a minute. I have to. Okay. So what we are going to do today is very interesting. So uh, yesterday we built a algorithm. The most of the algorithm was made in previous two live streams. So what we made is already there in previous live streams. You can check it out from there. And we have two or three problems which is mostly related to one thing, which is the recovery phase. If user's private key and public key and the root DNA are all in his or her laptop. So what if he lost all the progress or his laptop dies? What happens after that? How he is going to, you know, uh, like how he is going to re like recover? Okay, how he is going to recover all his secrets or all his encrypted secrets on our server? So that is a very big problem, and we are going to focus on that. So today we are not building anything. We are not chatting. We will not do some text chat with chat GPT. We are going a step further. We are going to look maybe in repositories or maybe on Reddit. We are trying to find its solution. Uh, this is very similar to how crypto wallet works. So I guess we can take reference from that. So let's try to search some things. I was watching X-Men. Okay, I'm not on my browser. So let's switch to my browser and okay. So uh, searching is a skill in its own. I'm very bad at it. So please don't judge me for that. Okay. किनुआ भाई okay, so let's start. So how how crypto wallet encryption works for recovery phase in these type of lives. Okay, lag. I'm really sorry if you are facing any sort of lag. Okay, okay, let me open my live stream in my device so that I can keep track of how the live stream is going. I'll obviously turn the volume down. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, I'm not very good at searching or stuff like that, but we are going to learn all of these in this live stream. What is crypto wallet type, key, and how they work? I don't really want to know. Uh, what is a wallet recovery phase or seed phase? Okay, maybe this is going to help us. A recovery phase is basically a human readable form of your wallet's private key. The unique secret passcode used to authenticate and encrypt your wallet access. This this phrase allows you to sign transactions and claim ownership of your wallet addresses, recover your wallet if it gets lost or damaged in case of hardware wallet, or if the device you use to access your wallet get lost or stolen or maybe become somebody else's. So what will happen in that phase? Okay, so why do crypto wallet? I don't want to save key point to remember about recovery. This is all about the things I already know. This is not something which I want to know. Not. I guess I don't have to search about recovery phase exactly. I have to search in case what happens in case. Okay, what happens in case of lost key in crypto wallets in their encryption system. Okay, I guess I lost my Bitcoin keys. How to recover? Stolen. Not don't panic. How to recover? What happens if you loses your crypto wallet key? I mean, it might be related to like what you have to do if it gets lost. I guess it is something like that. Well, maybe this this can be a whole project in itself, like saving your uh, crypto keys, a platform which stores your crypto keys so that you don't have to remember it. Something like that. Maybe I don't know. But that's not our topic. What are crypto wallet keys? I know. See, this is what we are using. This is exactly the same thing. Your public key, your private key, and a seed or root seed or root DNA, which we are calling it. So it is almost similar, and I have made it in such a way, like I have designed it in such a way that it has to be as safe as a crypto wallet. So yeah, what happens if you lost your private key? In a self custody wallet, losing your private key or recovery phase technically means losing access to your funds permanently. The blockchain itself does not stores password or account recovery system. It only recognize cryptographic signatures generated by private key. If private key is missing, the assets still remain on the blockchain. The wallet address remains valid, but no one can authorize transactions from it. Huh. In effect, the funds become permanently locked over years. Okay, this is not important for us. Limitations of traditional wallets recovery. Yes, most self-custody wallets rely on seed phase for recovery. While this approach works, it introduces several weakness, lost or forgot. Bro, this is exactly the same issue we are facing right now. Maybe they'll suggest something. Okay, modern crypto wallets. I guess that is something which will help come in our help, and it might be the thing which we want to do. Okay, okay. So stolen through phishing or malwares, accidentally exposed in cloud backup and or screenshot. Once a seed phase is compromised, the wallet becomes permanently vulnerable. Anyone who obtains the phrase can recreate the wallet and transfer the assets. This dependency on static secrets has long been one of the biggest limitations of traditional wallet design. Okay, I really want to know who come up with this solution. Like how how intelligent will he be to think something like this? But uh, modern crypto wallets are beginning to address these limitations by replacing face seed management with a new authentication model. How will prevent lost keys? Oh, okay. So the project I was talking about, like something which protects your or saves your, crypto keys. This is the exactly same, but we don't need that. Never lose access to your crypto again. Achieving security, biometric, wallet recovery, and key management. Human replaces, human author replaces static sales with proof of humanity. Human biometric, chain support, or recovery without. Okay. Why holders choose Zelf? Recovery without exposing seed phase. Unique encrypted key per Zelf ID. Okay, these are the things which are important to us, I guess. Am I still live right now? Mhm. Okay, I guess my Wi-Fi is down or something. I'm not sure. Uh, yes, we are here. Hello, hello everyone. Okay, I guess the lagging issue is fixed. Uh, please check it one time. Like, am I audible and I'm clear to everyone? Uh, Hi Ayush Mishra, welcome to our stream. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope the lag issue is fixed. Okay, I guess people will join. Hello, hello Aditya Jha, but your identity. Okay, Pehchan, bro, I'll always choose Pehchan because, you know, money just follow, man. So that is what my opinion on that. Yes. Yes, Pehchan. Okay. Money. Yes, yes. No, 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 brother. You're getting it wrong. Actually, it's Pehchan and money follows, my brother. So yeah. Okay, I guess everything is visible right now. Let's continue with what we were learning. If anything lags again, so please do let me know. Okay, I'll try to fix it in next stream for sure. I have fixed it temporarily right now, but I'm definitely going to fix it. So as we were studying that this all is some temporary like there is no actual solution for it. How to if you lost your key. Hello Ayush Mishra. Uh, so yeah, if you lost your key, if you lost your root key or your private key, public key, anything, if you have lost that, there is no coming back from that. As our server is not storing your any sort of key, so that is one big problem in this whole algorithm. Okay, no, we are just studying the how crypto wallet authentication and I'm sorry, how crypto wallet recovery phase actually works, and yeah, stuff like that. We are trying to learn more about it, and we are going to use it in our story envy. So yeah, this is something good, which is modern crypto wallets are beginning to address this limitation by replacing root phase key management with a new authentication model. Okay, so this is something human authent. It is a cryptographic authentication primitive that establishes a biometric root of trust instead of relying on stored password or recovery phase. The system verifies identity through live biometric authentication during enrollment. Biometric. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So what I'm understanding by this is they will like when you first create your account before gen before generating your root key, they will biometrically scan you, like your face, and like they'll click a photo of me like this, how it is in our Aadhaar cards, and they will they will scan it, and they will build a trust on that. If you want to recover your identity, or you know your key, so what you have to do, you have to again scan your like face biometrically, and then what will happen, it will give you your key. But then there is one more issue which I'm not getting, is if we are not storing your key, how are we going to give it back? So that is one thing. So like no biometric templates are stored, no raw biometric data is retained, no static authentication. During enrollment, biometric liveness is combined with high entropy random materials to derive cryptographic key material. This process encrypts their user's private key into. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, Too much issue is there. Leave it. Uh, is there any issue in? Okay, I thought my stream is lagging, so I thought like you were saying that. So there is no issue in that. I got how we are going to do it. So how we were encrypting our project key. So similarly, will encrypt your private key or root key with your biometric data, and it can be only and only unlocked by your biometric data, which we are not storing. Okay, so you personally are the key, and you only your face can unlock the like the key you have. Okay, the private key or root key of your account. So that is a very good solution. So let's ask the GPT that it a good solution for this project or not. And this is how we are making our project. So yeah, yeah, I'll not give my biometric data. Bro, we are not going to store your biometric data. We are just going to uh, use it to encrypt it. We are not storing it as they are not storing it. So we are going to use that. Uh, Hi, Addy Raptor. So yeah, I found the solution for our encrypt like recovery thing. What we are going to use is we are going to encrypt their root key or their public or private key with their biometric scan and like their biometric data, and then we'll store that encrypted key on our server. If the user provide like, but why you want to store my data? No, no, no. I'm not. You should, bro. Okay, so as I was saying, we are going to store that root key in user's account. If the user's GitHub is same and their biometric also matches uh, the the bio and also okay, 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 okay. No, so so we are going to like provide that encrypted root key to user, then they'll decrypt it using their uh, biometric scan or biometric data, and they can decrypt it. If they can decrypt it, then it is theirs, or if they can't, then they're trying to stole it. We can like maybe add some action to that. Okay, that is something like not important right now. So let's discuss, can we get live option in there, any cheap model to do that or do so? Like, do you want for my live stream, because I'm very bad at English, are you trying to say that? I mean, well, hello, Zasperine. Huh. Okay, so let's start adding our prompt to ChatGPT, which is to solve this problem. Maybe we can add a layer of a layer of encryption on the screen become smaller. Okay, so like this is what I did. Like I was switching tabs on my different screens, so that's why it happened. Okay, uh, encryption on root key or root key or private key and store it in our database. We are going. We are going to. We're going. We are going to. If ChatGPT solves your problem, then what are you doing to solve? Then why are not able to see the tabs? Like because that is on my different screen, and if like you are asking about ChatGPT is solving my problem, no, actually ChatGPT is not solving my problem. It is acting as a senior engineer for me. uh, I don't know how to how to build an application or website very I'm not very good at it. I'm not very good at that. So ChatGPT is helping me in like building a very good solution which I can use as a real product. So that is why I am using ChatGPT. I'm not asking it for give me the code or build my project. No, I'm uh, I'm kind of learning from ChatGPT, and that's the even that's the title, bro. Learn with GPT. So that is something we are going to encrypt. We are going to encrypt the private key using uh, biometric data of user. Hi Daksh, you already know what a let's say, yes, bro. I already know what do you want to say. Well, hello Daksh, and like this is almost a double the number of watching we get in yesterday's live stream. So thank you so much everyone for joining the stream, and hope you're liking it too. Like the stream, and if you're not subscribed the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot for me, and we can continue now. Yes, you were thinking in right direction, but it's not the important correction. Biometric should itself used crypt key, and we should not biometric data on ours. No, we are not. No, will not will not uh, will not store the biometric data if user logs in with their GitHub. So will let them try to decrypt it once with their biometric data. I understand exactly or not You're not proposing that store the biometric data, you're proposing that's much better implementation. The important details biometric isn't actually encrypting the private key directly. Instead, the operation system you can use the biometric to unlock a device protected cryptographic credential. So it will be like store env encrypted private key, your computer face verify with your face ID, secure storage decryption key, your private key, fingerprint face ID itself, never to leave the device. Okay, so what it is proposing, I guess it is proposing that your face ID will create a code or generate a key which will decrypt or encrypt the private key. And now your recovery flow makes more sense. Uh, Backup found. How do we create the private key originally protected one on the user's machine and create a recoverable without any or seeing the plain text? Proud Indian. Okay, guys, we have reached till 9. Like, I guess we can maybe like reach to 15 likes. Let's see if we can reach that target or not. Never give up on the target. Uh, okay. Uh, GitHub is okay. Can you explain more about? Okay. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, bye Aditya Mishra. So let's continue. We have this. We have like I want to understand this thing uh, in depth. So that's what I'm asking right now to GPT. Also, how do we create the private key originally, protect it on the user's machine, and okay, that's kind of simple. Okay, when user creates an account on Storeenv, will take will generate a root seed, then will ask the user ask the uh, user for his or her face ID, and then we are going to decrypt it. Sorry, encrypt it, and then it root key. Then that root seed will derive derive private. And sorry, Ayush Mishra. I'm really sorry. Okay, derive private and public key will ask the user for his face ID, and then we are going to encrypt it. Then that encrypted key will be stored in our servers. If any sort of is any if any sort of what happens, okay, break happens in um, between this process, then the account creation fails. So I have to also work on the login system once again. That is one bad news we got today. Okay, we have reached 11 likes, like four more we need, guys. Please share the stream with your friends, and yeah, that's all. I mean, it's not necessary. I mean, okay. We propose this flow is closed, but one crucial correction: should not encrypt the private key with itself. Instead, used by the operating system to unlock a device protected key, and that key protects. So, account creation. Now we have private key. This is where Face ID comes. Ask for Face ID. Operating system. Is this the user authorized user? No, reject. Yes. Then give them a device protected key. The biometric is not exposed to server. Now we protect the private key. Okay. Laptop. The hell, guys? We just reached our goal of 15 likes. Thank you so much. I guess someone is uh, like just someone is liking my stream with their some another accounts, I guess. I'm not sure about that, but I guess that's what happening. I'm trying to understand the new flow which we are making. GitHub logins, root seed recreates the new laptop, new creates a new protected device, new biometric scan, new credentials, protect scheme. This gives us an important distinction. There are grow yes okay. There are actually three different things. But ultimately, okay, on a particular computer. So if anything breaks, okay. Hi Piyush, welcome to our stream. Hey, but then again, this question rises that a device protection key is also generating based on which device you're using right now. And if we are going to use that, so how are we going to recover our key? Okay, how are we going to recover our private? key if every device generates a new unique protection key. This is the problem we need to solve. Okay, so why store the encrypted key on our server? It gives us backup, not primarily recovery. This gives us a clean model, but then we get stuck on the same exactly the same thing, uh which is our what it is, which is our recovery phase. So like we have fixed one problem. Like if users like deleted somehow his key, so we can generate the same key on the same device, okay, so that we will recover the key. So we are ahead from yesterday. We learned something new, and I guess this model is going to work, the encryption model based on biometric scan. I have to do a lot of more research on this, and I'm out of time right now. So I guess this stream will have to end it right now. So yeah, the whoever is watching right now, thank you so much for watching, and we are going to solve this problem maybe on next stream, or I'll research on this. Like I'm going to research on this topic after this stream, or whenever I get like I get free or something. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope your day will like go very good. Peace out.